successive discounts of 25% and 20% are given on an article. What is the net discount? Now, let article price is 100. That means so. Two successive discounts, 25 and 20. That means 100 into 75 into 80 by 100. 100 खत्म 1010 510 15 75 2 का 2 2 चौका 15 चौका 60. तो हमने माना कितना था 100, आया कितना 60. दैट मीन डिफरेंस है हमारा 40% का. यही डिफरेंस हमारा नेट डिस्काउंट है. सो आंसर इज 40. दैट मीन्स इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस ही इन दोनों का नेट डिस्काउंट होता है. इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस जितना होगा वही इसका नेट डिस्काउंट हो जाएगा. क्योंकि जब हम किसी संख्या का परसेंट 100 से निकालते हैं तो उतना ही आता है जितना इन दोनों के बीच का डिफरेंस होता है. दैट मीन्स यहाँ इनके बीच डिफरेंस 40 का है. सो अगर नेट डिस्काउंट निकाले तो हो जाएगा डिस्काउंट परसेंट इज इक्वल टू 40/100. क्योंकि हमारा डिफरेंस यहाँ 40 का है और 100 क्योंकि परसेंट में निकालने के लिए हम 100 से डिवाइड करते हैं इंटू 100 क्योंकि टोटल नेट डिस्काउंट निकालना है इसलिए 100. So 100 cancel and 40. That means net discount हो जाएगा 40%. Two successive discounts of 50% and 30% are given on an article. What is the net discount? Let article का price 100. And according question, two successive discount of 50% and 30%. That means 100 into 50/100 into 70/100. 100 cancel 120 cancel 7 बचे 35. इन दोनों के बीच है 65. That means हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा 65%. That means net discount हो जाएगा 65. A student scores total 50% marks in 6 subjects of 100 marks each. He scores 30% of total marks obtained by him in subject 1. What is the score in subject 1? So total subject is 6 and each subject contains 100 marks. That means so total हो जाएगा 600 marks and he obtained 50% marks. That means 600 का 50%. That means 600 into 50/100. 6. That means he obtained 300 marks. That means 300 marks he obtained. Now subject 1, 30% of total he obtained. That means 300 of 30%, 90. So 90 marks in subject 1 he obtained. So answer is 90. 40% of 500 eggs are rotten. How many eggs are not rotten? That means 500 का 40%. That means 200 eggs are rotten. So not rotten eggs are 500 minus 200. That means 300. That means 300 eggs are not rotten. That means answer is 300. Least common multiple of A and B is 18. Least common multiple of C and D is 24. What is the least common multiple of A, B, C and D? That means 18 और 24 का LCM ही A, B, C and D का LCM होगा. That means 18 into 24. 4 12 1272. That means 72. Answer. The highest common factor of the two numbers is 10. Which of the following can be the least common multiple of the two numbers? HCF is 10. That means LCM is वो संख्या होगा जो 10 से डिवाइड होगा. 10 that means लास्ट में 0 डिजिट होना चाहिए. सो एक ही नंबर पे 0. सो यही आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा 120. Cost price of an article is 5,000 rupees. The loss percent is 30%. What is the selling price of the article? That means CP is 5,000 rupees and loss percent is 30%. That means loss is 5,000 into 30%. That means 1,500 rupees loss. That means loss is equal to 1,500. So selling price, that means SP is CP minus loss. CP 5,000 rupees minus loss 1,500. That means selling price is 3,500 rupees. So answer is B.